When I was in Italy, my favorite pasta was a penne, and it was a red sauce, but it had a little cream. It had a little something in it. So when I opened the restaurant, my memory was that pasta that I ate every day. If we can get this pasta perfect, they're gonna keep coming back. Arrabbiata means angry. It's an angry sauce. What we do to make this sauce is we're gonna take some butter, we're gonna take some crushed chili flake, and we grind it even more in the spice grinder. We put it on the butter. The chili flake infuses in the butter and begins to sweat out, and that's where you're gonna get your angry, your spicy tomato sauce. We are going to finish it with the mascarpone cream and some more butter. Okay, so we're heating up our sauce. I'm gonna take a little bite. It's ready. Okay, I can't help myself, add some butter, add some arugula, and you're just gonna barely wilt it. Then we'll do a little pan flip, and you're gonna get all of your sauce. We're going to add Parmigiano, and this is the Fiori Arrabbiata. So simple. We're gonna invite someone from the restaurant because we make this dish in the restaurant, so we're gonna see if it's exactly the same. So Jade, come on in. So you've had this many times.
Many times. It's actually my favorite dish.
And you let me know if the jarred sauce holds up.
Honestly, I feel like it's better. It's a perfect balance between creamy and a little bit of spice.
So good. Okay, dig in, have some more.